Chime has one of the best checking accounts out there, but it doesn't offer joint accounts or pay the best savings rate. Its strongest feature is that it's great for people who might not qualify to open accounts elsewhere. It doesn't check your credit score or banking history when you apply for a checking account, savings account, or credit card. It also provides several credit building tools. The Chime checking account is a good low-fee account. There are no monthly service fees, foreign transaction fees, or overdraft fees. Chime does charge you $2.50 for using an out-of-network ATM though. Early direct deposit allows you to receive your paycheck up to 2 days early. This helps you both access your money sooner and transfer money into your savings account to start earning interest sooner. The Chime savings account makes it easy to automatically save through 2 automatic savings options. First, it will round any debit card purchase up to the nearest dollar and put the spare change into your savings account. Second, you can set up a percentage of your paycheck to immediately go into your savings account. You must have a Chime checking account before opening a Chime savings account because the two often work in tandem. Is Chime a good bank? Chime is a banking platform, not a bank. However, your accounts are FDIC insured through Chime's partner banks, Stride Bank, NI, and the Bancorp Bank for up to $250,000. Chime has a checking and high-yield savings account. You must open a checking account to qualify for the savings account. Chime checking and savings accounts do not require a credit check, and the platform doesn't look into your banking history through check systems like most banks do. This means Chime has 2 of the best second-chance bank accounts out there. Second-chance accounts are for people who wouldn't normally qualify to open a bank account at another institution. The company also offers the Chime Credit Builder secured Visa credit card, which helps you build credit without requiring a credit check to qualify. Chime has partnered with Experian to provide in-app integration of Experian Boost. Experian Boost is a service that lets you use on-time bill payments to build credit. Chime members will be able to connect Experian Boost to their Chime app and raise your FICO score over time. The Chime mobile app has 4.8 out of 5 stars in the Apple Store and 4.5 out of 5 stars in the Google Play Store. You can email, call, or talk via live chat with Chime representatives 247. Is Chime trustworthy? Chime has an F rating from the Better Business Bureau. The BBB grades a company based on its honesty in its advertising, transparency about business operations, and responsiveness to customer complaints. The BBB states that Chime has a poor grade because it has a high volume of customer complaints, has not responded to some of these complaints, and takes a long time to respond to some complaints. There has also been government action against Chime. Chime used the URL chimebank.com as well as using the words bank and banking, even though the company is not licensed to operate as a bank in any jurisdiction. In a 2021 settlement with the Commissioner of Financial Protection and Innovation, Chime agreed to make it clear in future advertising that it is not a bank. Many users have filed complaints with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, saying that Chime has unexpectedly closed their accounts and sometimes kept them from accessing their money. What is the downside of Chime? Some of Chime's main downsides are that it doesn't have joint accounts, and it pays a lower savings rate than many other online high-yield savings accounts. Is it worth it to have Chime? Chime may be worth it if you're looking for a strong checking account. The Chime checking account doesn't charge monthly service, overdraft, or foreign transaction fees. It's also worth it if you have a poor credit or banking history. It doesn't check your credit score or banking history when you apply for an account, and it has several tools to help you boost your credit score. What is the Chime Spot'em program? Chime has a free overdraft protection program called Spot'em. This program allows you to overdraw by up to $20, and your limit may go up to $200, depending on your Chime account history. Spot'em has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's free, and you don't have to link to a savings account for overdraft protection like you do with many banks. But you can only qualify for Spot'em if you receive at least $200 in direct deposits per month. Does Chime have daily withdrawal limits? You may withdraw up to $500 per day from the ATM with Chime. You can also make a total of $2,500 in debit card purchases per day. We look at ethics, customer service, and the mobile app when rating each bank account. Other factors considered depend on which type of account we're reviewing.